Step back in time and draw. Here we go again, another Super Saiyan 3. Tonight we're going to draw Super Saiyan 3 Xeno Trunks from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Trunks is finally at his father's level, and now he's become Super Saiyan 3. It's been a while since we've seen this guy in action. Now let's get started. Alexa, what is Super Saiyan 3?
Here's something I found on the web. According to fandom.com, Super Saiyan 3, abbreviated as SS3, is a Saiyan ability to transform beyond a Super Saiyan 2.
Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark DeGroot on Amazon Music.
This Time Guardian is never going to stop evolving.
Far away, our wants are making the climb. I'll trust the power you've got inside. All of aim to be the stars of the stage. Moving our union through anything we face. Beyond the
You're welcome.
with a slam, slam, slam. Start the battle in a jam, jam, jam. The final hit is a bam, bam, bam. This heart
After this.
let's get started. First we're getting bumped, then we crash. Winning
Alright, so now we draw his sword.
all this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring.
He's posing it in the shape of victory.
Nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Can you hear a voice that gives out a cry? I'll trust the valor you've got inside. All are trapped, their freedom gone in the war. Lost from the future that's just beyond the door. Break out of prison with a slam, slam, slam. No problem even in a jam, jam, jam.
We jump to action with a bam, bam, bam.
Light burst from all the zing, let's get sparking. First we're getting bumped, then we clash. Winning in the rough, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale that grows one that nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Got this done. Go, 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 go. Now
Now we let the thrills
here's the rest of his hair.
Hearts are gonna beat with a boom.
After that you'll understand this horizon never ends. If we lose a fight, I admit.
Now we draw the rest of him.
Just a bit, but we'll keep on going forward. Burning brightly to the core. Always energized for the goal. Legends never die.
And finish.
Are you ready to achieve that amazing victory?
That's how you draw Super Saiyan 3 Xeno Trunks.
In the rap that we laugh,
Megasaur, see you later.